Sam, John.
Nathan, Tanner. We are an electrical company, Complete Connectrics, based in Somerset.
It was, well, we wanted to change the direction that we were going in terms of the projects that we wanted to start doing. We wanted to do larger scale projects more and make more money.
Change the type of leads that we were in.
And run with a bit more structure because we didn't have that much structure at that point either.
We did have a business coach before Greg, but we weren't that happy with them, and we weren't that happy with their tactics and their sales. They promised the earth and didn't really deliver. They would just sell. So we knew we wanted a business coach, just the one that we had wasn't the right fit for us. And then I think you stumbled across him online.
Yeah,
you said, check out this guy. He seems a bit more natural and relaxed and not so pushy like the guy that we had. So we left the guy we had and then came to this event last year and then signed up off the back of that, didn't we?
It's definitely helped with some structure, and it's definitely cleared up and tidied up a lot of stuff that needed tidying. At the moment, we're reviewing the marketing strategies, and Greg's been helping us with that.
You jump on the Monday calls. You said that's really good.
Yeah, that is quite good. The right next thing stuff on Asana's, again, also pretty useful.